Kalayani Menon. I am studying in 6B, Rajagiri St. Javra CMI Public School, Malappuram. I hope you all are safe at home. I am here to speak a few words about the book Charlie and the Chocolate Factory. The author of this book is Roald Dahl. This book has two main characters. They are the poor little guy Charlie Bucket and the one who built the largest chocolate factory in the world, Mr. Willy Wonka. The other main character of the story is Charlie's parents, Mr. and Mrs. Bucket, and the four old grandparents. Their names are Grandpa Jose, Grandma Josephine, Grandpa George, and Grandma Georgina. Mr. Bucket is working on a paste company, and his wife is a housewife. She made watery soup every day for them. That is the only thing to eat for them. They had only a single bed for the four old grandparents. They are just like a skeleton. Then the Willy Wonka, who built the largest chocolate factory. When Willy Wonka was a child, his father never allowed him to eat a single bite of chocolate. So he left his house and later he built the largest chocolate factory. And just like the little Willy Wonka, a Charlie Bucket also a chocolate lover. But he got a single chocolate on his birthday only in the year, and that was gifted by his whole family on his birthday. And the Willy Wonka planned to send 5 golden tickets to 5 children in a chocolate pack. And the 5 children could enter the secret chocolate factory and explore that. And our little Charlie was also one among them. Later, Willy Wonka impressed on Charlie's bravery and he handed over the whole chocolate factory to Charlie. And they lived very happily. You must read this book. This is the story of the book. I love this book. This is one of my favorite books. So, you must read this. I like this book. This is a very good book. Thank you.